jumping into the another way of bringing like one file to another file, let's just start creating our title blocks in a new file. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open up a new file and I'm going to set the unit, and I'm going to change the unit from decimal to architectural, pressing OK, and I'm going to go here and start drawing a rectangle. So for the rectangle, for the first point, I'm going to put it on a 0, 0. And for the second point, I'm going to use the 10 and basically 7.5, 7.5 for the second one. I'm going to zoom in on that. Okay, that's going to be my drawing area. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to the layer properties, create a new layer. I'll call it border title block and block. And I'm gonna change the color to green, and since it's a title block, so I'm gonna change the way to 02, maybe 03, and that will be my title blocks. I need another layer for a text, so I'm gonna change this one to a text, and this one is gonna be my title block as well, so TB to give me the name of that when I extract it to the new file. So, and then I'm gonna change the color here to 171, and for its thickness I'm gonna change that one to 0.09. Pressing OK. So I create two layers basically, and then I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna bring this one to the border title blocks, and let's change the layer to border title blocks, and let's start setting up our placement for the title blocks. So I'm going to use this piece, and I'm going to go over here 1 inch, and I'm going to place it all the way up here. Right. So next thing I want to change is that I want to create a new text, and I'm going to place the text in this corner of my title block. So I'm going to go to the annotate and the text style, clicking on the text style, and I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it the title block, and I'm going to go here and then make sure it's annotative, and the size of the text is supposed to be 1/8 when I am basically in a scale of 1 to 1. I'm going to apply this